guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Okay, so today's video is going to be a product review about the Quickfix No Shine Mattifier. So kung bakit siya cult favorite and what I think about this, keep on watching. And if you're new to the channel, hello, my name is Alice. I'm a content creator. I make a lot of product reviews and other lifestyle-based videos. So if you guys are into that, you want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be all about what is happening to my face right now. And I'm gonna be doing a demo as well of the Quickfix No Shine Mattifier. So guys, alam nyo na to. Matagal-tagal na to sa market. And honestly, this is one of those products na nung una, too good to be true kasi yung sachet niya is very affordable and you can use it as a makeup base or a primer. You can also put it on top of your makeup. What? Like, seriously, I am very amazed with this product. So what is the Quickfix No Shine Mattifier? It's basically a light moisturizer you could use as a makeup base or as oil control for your makeup. So, kaya ganito yung itsura ko. Talagang pinatagal ko talaga na mag-oiliness talaga ako para makita niyo yung effect niya on one side compared to the other. So, before we do that, ano nga ba ang gist? Or what is the gist about this product? Ang claim to fame niya basically is you can use this underneath your makeup and like on top of your makeup. Pero hindi ko siya gagawin yung sa on top kasi hindi ako naka-makeup today. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung effect niya. And what it does actually is it gives the skin a good mattified finish and also smoother base, and it would hide enlarged pores, fine lines kung meron ka nun. Also some imperfections sabi, pero I don't think so kasi yung itsura ng product is very much like a primer. So magkano ba siya? This is about 119 yung sachet. Yung full size is 30 grams, 223 pesos, 224 pesos. So, within the budget pa rin. And the good thing about this is, pwede mo siyang bilhin ng sachet, pwede mo siyang bilhin ng full size. Both are very, very travel-friendly. Okay, so ito na po ang malaking balakid sa atin. So, ito na. Papakita ko na sa inyo yung effect niya. So, this is what the product looks like. Ayan. Napadami yung labas ka, diba? Ayan siya. So, it looks like other primers in the market. Very silicone base. And, ang maganda rin kasi sa kanya is, pag ginamit mo siya underneath your makeup, it has salicylic acid. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. And then, ito, wala. Makikita niyo yung oiliness. So, ito siya. It's very lightweight, by the way. And gusto ko siya pag ginagamit ko siya as a base. Kasi, ang bilis lang niyang i-spread. And you can see the difference agad-agad. Ayan. Ang effect niya actually is very light lang. Like, sobrang ano lang niya. Sobrang light lang niya sa skin. You can use this as a base or as a moisturizer kung ayaw nyo na, alam niyo yun, mukhang hulas-hulasan kayo umaga-umaga pa lang. So, I'm just gonna let this sit for a couple of minutes and then papakita ko sa inyo ano itsura niya. So, this is what it looks like. So, kung mapansin nyo, ito, halatang-halata yung pores dito. Just may konting redness. Ito, medyo na-tame niya yung redness because of the salicylic acid. Medyo napadami ako ng lagay, kaya andun pa rin yung oiliness. Pero here's the thing, sobrang smooth ng finish niya sa skin ko. Ayan. Diba? Mattified na siya. Hindi na ako masyadong oily compared to here. Ayan. Ito kasi mas natatamaan ng ilaw. So, kukuha ako dito ng excess. Kasi may excess. Lalagay ko siya dyan. O, diba? Pansin nyo, nawala agad yung oiliness dito sa parteng to. Na-mattify niya kagad. So, nakakatuwa siya. One of the things though that I would just like to say is, kung kayo ay meron kayong allergy or sensitivity towards dimethicone or silicone base, this might not work for you kasi silicone base talaga siya. As of checking sa ingredients niya, it has dimethicone, which is a silicone base. A silicone based product. So, ayan. i-spread ko lang siya para buong mukha ko na yung mamattify. One thing I do love about this is pwede mo siyang bilhin na naka-sachet or yung full size niya, which is also travel friendly. Pero kung hindi naman kayo araw-araw nagme-makeup, mas maganda na to. Ito, umaabot to sa akin mga at least 2 weeks kasi hindi naman ako everyday nagme-makeup. Usually, ginagamit ko lang siya before filming, ganyan, while filming, para hindi ako ganun kahula sa camera, ma'am. So overall, what do I think about the QuickFix No Shine Mattifier? It's a great product, affordable, and also it doesn't clog my pores or do damage to my skin because of the salicylic and other ingredients that is good for the skin. I would definitely repurchase this. Nakakailang repurchase na ako actually. And I would definitely suggest this to you girls. So, that's basically it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have you tried the QuickFix No Shine Mattifier? If so, make sure to comment below on the comment section for your thoughts and your experiences. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for more videos. So, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye! Mwah!